Shrine sells these semi-permanent drop-it kits in a variety of vibrant colors. You mix a few drops into your conditioner, wait 10 minutes, then wash it off. For the colored dyes, you'll be using more conditioner than you'd normally use to fully cover your hair. The more drops you add, the more vibrant the hair color becomes. The final color is meant to last 2 to 12 washes depending on the number of drops used. The brand says each bottle contains about 200 drops and is vegan and cruelty-free. Here's how some of the colors turn out with 6 drops, 12 drops, and 30 drops. Shrine also sells these drop-it toners to remove brassy blonde hair or to achieve a lilac or rose shade.